Okay, let's practice doing an advanced search. Excuse me. And let's put in, let's say we're looking for rural libraries. Excuse me. And let's keep it local in America. And let's conduct our search. Excuse me. Okay, so 98,000. So let's limit this a little bit. Let's just look under peer-reviewed journals, and let's change the date to something a little more recent. Let's try 2014. And there's a green button down here, and I will hit it, and we will hopefully, there we go, limit our search a little bit to 3,847. Great, and here we are, the future of a small public rural libraries in America. This is exactly what we were looking for. So we can email it, we can copy the citation, and we can add this to our RefWorks account, as we mentioned earlier. This is a great way to use filters to limit your searches.